So, if you are broke or you're just looking for ways to make more money in 2025 and beyond, or you are dreaming of an early retirement just like my humble self, then this video is for you. Today, I am sharing my £100,000 roadmap with you. So this is a simple and explicit plan that you can actually replicate, you can copy to turn your own passion into profit. So I've been publishing books, I've been blogging, and on the 1st of August, I decided to become a YouTube creator. So after all said and done, I am here to share with you how I plan to make 2025 my most profitable year so far. So let's dive right in. Now I would love to speak about my book publishing journey. So I started publishing in February of 2024. Then I was going through some mental health issues and postnatal depression. And in 3 months, I had published over 20 books. It was a mix of romance, low content books, journals, and postgraduate resources. There were some educational textbooks. I have been publishing books on business, on personal finance, and even postgraduate resources. And I must tell you, it has been a mix of trials and errors, but ultimately breakthrough. So after publishing 20 books, 3 of my books are doing well. So now here is my plan for 2025. I hope to improve on my book covers, and I hope to improve on my book content. My book content is going to be more polished in 2025. I hope to focus on quality instead of quantity. Here is the thing. Once you get on Amazon platform, it is so easy to want to be publishing every day, especially now that we have ChatGPT and the likes of it. But here is a pro tip for you. Publish 1 or 2 books on a topic you think you know or you are passionate about, and promote these books massively. Now don't be in a hurry to publish. Make sure you get nice book covers, create book covers, be creative, be innovative, and let your book covers stand out. So imagine yourself walking into a supermarket and there are books on the shelf. So one of the best books there could be in very dull colors and it is not even attractive enough. Now maybe the title of the books, the fonts used in writing the titles do not even do justice to the book. So people cannot even understand what the book is at first glance. So shoppers are always in a hurry. Even online, when you're scrolling through, you are attracted by the attractive books. You don't go about looking for books that are not so attractive, except you were told explicitly to go for those books. So here is my own game plan. I'm going to be polishing my books in 2025. I have started already. I've been working on it for 2-3 weeks now, and I am going to be improving my book covers. From the sales I've been making so far, I now know what my niche or what my area of specialization should be. So the pro tip here is, look at your products on Amazon. Which of them are selling? Now improve on those ones. Create different versions and different editions on them. For every time you create new ones, make sure you're putting improved and updated keywords in your book. And for whenever you're going to list your books on Amazon, make sure they are optimized for SEO. For where they ask you to put in hashtags, please don't be stingy with your words. You can write the name of the book and add 1 word to it to be the hashtag. Now, remember, some books just sell by virtue of being on Amazon. One of my low content books is like that. It's been giving me at least £30 every month. 1 book. Now that book, I don't even have time to advertise because YouTube has been taking all my time. So I seldom advertise these books, but that one product is selling. So even when I'm sleeping at night, I don't worry about it, because when I wake up in the morning, there's either 1 or 2 sold. So now that I know what is selling, I know which of my books are doing well, it is now time to double the hustle. So I'm going to be looking at what did I do to make that book stand out. Now the book cover does not even look attractive, but I think I worked out the formula. So let's talk about YouTube growth, driving traffic and building community. YouTube is one of the greatest drivers of traffic to my books, and here are my plans for 2025. So, in 2025, I hope to be posting at least 4 long-form videos in a week. This way, I would stay connected with my audience and my community. I have also been doing a lot of research on SEO and post optimizations, and with the little knowledge I have from my blog, I am going to be working on my SEO optimization massively in 2025. Now that I am beginning to understand my niche, it is time for SEO. So I want to be discoverable. I am now getting a lot of traffic from Google search, and I am so grateful for this, but I think I can do better. So I'll be working on my keywords. I'll be working on search engine optimization. Also, I am hoping to be fully monetized. In terms of monetization, I have been monetizing my YouTube channel since I started. So from the first day I came here, I started sharing my affiliate marketing links. Sometimes I could be on my live stream and I am sharing my affiliate links. So I started making money from my YouTube channel from when I was on 200 subscribers. In 2025, I hope to create quality content and also content focusing on my affiliate marketing links. For now, I wouldn't be creating membership because I can't deal with all the hassle that comes with it. I salute all my friends that have members. It's too much of a responsibility for me. So we're just focusing on ads revenue, affiliate marketing, selling my own course, and maybe hosting my own virtual parties on YouTube. YouTube is not just about views, it is about building trust and loyalty. And if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? You can start a YouTube channel in January 2025 with just your phone and a simple script. Now, here is what I am most excited about. I am launching my line of self-care and mental health products in January 2025. This launch is not just about launching products. It is about building my brand. It is about networking and learning from others, and also for creating YouTube content. So I will be hosting an intimate lunch with family and friends where I hope to be upselling my books and some of my crafts. Now remember, if you're launching a new product, even if it is a small intimate gathering, it goes a long way. So before we leave, here are some tips and key takeaway for beginners like myself in 2025. For me personally, my recap: I'm going to improve and publish more digital products, focusing on what actually works and what actually sells. Also, I'm going to be working hard so I can be monetized by companies like Mediavine. In addition to this, I would love to grow my YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers by December 2025. So to do this, I would keep improving on my posts, and I would keep posting consistently, and I would keep up with the community building. And like I said, I'm going to be launching some of my products in January. So I'm launching just 2 products, and I'm going to learn from my mistakes. I'm going to learn what works and what doesn't work, and I can scale up from there. So this roadmap isn't just for me, it is for anyone who wants to make more money in 2025. So if you are looking for financial freedom or sustainable income streams, then this is for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment on which of these ideas you would be trying out, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. Let's win together. And on this note, I say see you in the next one.